My name is Devon and this is H's World. If you want to learn how to make hoodies, stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is design your graphic. There's plenty of ways to do it. The way I do it, I use an app called Vectornator. It's like Illustrator but the free version. It allows you just to manipulate letters. That's the best way I know how to put it. So the next bit is to read out your vinyl. I pre-press the foam bit on my heat press because when I'm reading out my vinyl, sometimes it can be a bit hard to read out, especially if you're doing intricate pieces. So you don't want to lose any details, so giving it a pre-press and rubbing it in, it allows you to read the vinyl much easier. As you can see how easy it is for me to read out. All it takes is a slow pull. Bob's your uncle. Hopefully he's not your father. If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to my little home office. Got my trusted heat press. Very industrial. We've got the vinyl cutter, very bright as they say. Your iPad. Not for the equipment. So
the final bit is the pressing of the hoodie. So what you do is you give your hoodie a pre-press so you get all the moisture out of the hoodie, and it gives you a nice flat surface to press on. So I have trouble centering my designs, so I found out if you fold your hoodie in half and give it a press, it leaves a center line in your hoodie. Then you fold your design in half and put it on it, and your design will be perfectly centered.